In the previous slides, you've been introduced to parts of the brain and also their impact on learning and behavior. We want students to be able to engage in the activities and learning at hand. We want them to be ready to learn. We understand also that the impact of trauma and toxic stress can have on the brain is real. When considering the right side of this image, you'll note the terms upstairs brain. In this case, students are using the parts of their brain that allow them to think clearly, to control their body, to interact with others in a safe way, and also to understand the perspective of others. In order to engage in these behaviors, and in order to learn, students need to feel safe. They need to feel supported. The downstairs brain refers to the primitive parts of the brain, the reactive part of the brains, that cause students to move into fight or flight. In these cases, students are unable to learn in a productive manner. Instead, they are watching around the room to see if they are safe. They are walking into classrooms wondering if the adults working with them truly are there to support their learning. Trauma and toxic stress make it very difficult for students to be prepared for learning and also to work well with others while doing so.